Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an ice cream latte. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 to 2 scoops of your favorite ice cream, preferably vanilla or coffee flavored. Also, prepare 1 shot of hot espresso or very strong brewed coffee. Have about 1/2 cup of cold milk, such as whole or 2%, ready for frothing. Don't forget any optional toppings like whipped cream or chocolate syrup. Now, let's get the coffee ready. Brew 1 shot of espresso using your machine, or prepare about 1/4 cup of very strong coffee. It's best to let it cool down a bit so it doesn't melt the ice cream too fast. While your coffee cools, place your serving glass in the freezer. A chilled glass is key for a perfectly refreshing ice cream latte. With your glass chilled and coffee cooled, it's time to assemble. Carefully remove your glass from the freezer. Add 1 to 2 generous scoops of your chosen ice cream to the bottom. Then, slowly pour the cooled espresso or strong coffee directly over the ice cream. Give it a gentle stir to start combining those delicious flavors and create a creamy base. To finish your delightful ice cream latte, you have a few options. You can top it with frothed milk for a traditional latte feel. Or, for an extra treat, add a dollop of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Serve it immediately with a spoon and a straw and savor every delicious sip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.